Welcome to the module Introduction to Seller Central. By the end of the module, you will be able to understand the features and functionalities of Seller Central. Use the Seller Central account with ease. Log into Seller Central with your registered email ID and password. Seller Central is a one-stop shop for sellers to find various tools to manage their inventory and help them grow their business on Amazon.in. Starting from the top, we have tabs for navigating to the Seller Central features. The Inventory tab is where you can manage your current inventory, add new products, access inventory reports, and manage your fulfillment by Amazon shipments. The Pricing tab helps you manage the pricing of your products and gives you access to the pricing dashboard, pricing alerts, and automate pricing. The Order tab is where you can manage your orders, download and upload order-related reports, and manage returns. The Advertising tab is where you can set up sponsor products campaigns to promote your products and various other promotions for customers. Under the Reports tab, you can find a list of products which includes payments, business reports, tax documents, and selling coach recommendations which help you grow your business on Amazon.in. The Performance tab is where you get access to the customer service metrics, view customer feedback, check the A to Z claims, chargeback claims, and performance notifications which may require your attention. Click on Seller University under the Performance tab. Seller University has educational videos and content in multiple languages for educating sellers on selling on Amazon. The Services tab is where you can find the list of services like imaging, cataloging, and many other services provided by third-party vendors to enhance your product quality and business growth on Amazon.in. Moving to the right, we have the search bar where you can access the content on our help pages and seller forums by searching with the related keyword. For example, search with brand registry and you will find the list of related results for reference. The search tab will help you find the information you need. You can also participate in the seller forums, contact seller support, and check the case logs from the below options. New buyer-seller messages and the recommended help sections will be listed under messages and the help option. The settings drop-down will give you access to all your account settings, including contact information, notification preferences, permissions for different user for your account, and default settings for various account features. Below the Navigation tab, you would notice various information widgets on the left and right of the screen. These widgets are designed to give you high-level insights on various aspects of selling on Amazon.in. Summary of recent orders and payments, performance metrics, and so on, along with quick links to seller forums and other important links. You can customize your Seller Central experience by expanding, collapsing, and moving widgets around as per your preference. The middle section is the summary of your selling coach recommendations. The Amazon Selling Coach collects personalized opportunities for you to increase sales. The recommendations appear once you add your inventory and start selling on Amazon.in. Below, you can find various announcements in the headlines and selling tools section. You can check for any Amazon policy updates, changes to Seller Central features, and various tools and services that you can consider to grow your business on Amazon.in. Thank you and happy selling on Amazon.in.